And it's your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet. Of course, I'm just one part of the visitmysmokies.com weather team. There is another part right there. And what do you think it'll be? Well, there weren't shadows around most of the Smokies on Monday morning, so that means an earlier spring, right? Right? Maybe? They did not cover that in meteorology school that I recall, so I'm not quite sure myself. I do know that Groundhog Day means that we are now into the merry month of February. Short month with a long list of things to do that you can find in this post, including Saddle Up, starting February 22nd, and of course, Valentine's Day in less than 2 weeks. Speaking of Valentine's Day, do you see that banner at the top of the blog page? It's on every blog page right now, and if you go online, you'll click that, you'll find great cabin rentals for the upcoming Valentine's Day holiday. Last time I had highlighted the fact that we had posted the whole season of rod runs and car shows at visitmysmokies.com already. Well, this time we're featuring the year's schedule of classic hikes of the Smokies. The guided hiking tours begin in March. That's not that far away. By the way, if you want to go hiking or walking or running right now, we've got the third annual February Freeze coming up Saturday night in Pigeon Forge. I don't think you'll freeze too badly if you're walking or running that this year. One more post that I do want to mention in our blog section is about a butterfly tagged at Cades Cove, and where that butterfly ended up many miles away. The post also explains how you can be a part of the butterfly tagging this year. And why do monarch butterflies want to leave the Smokies? Who would want to leave? I think it's when they see forecasts like Mondays come up with lots of clouds, temperatures falling during the day to about freezing in the afternoon, rain showers mixing over to snow showers, maybe an inch or two in higher elevations, stuff like that. It'll be chilly Tuesday morning as we start in the upper teens with a Tuesday high in the mid-40s and sunshine. Sunshine again Wednesday. Back above average for a day till a cold front brings a chance of rain and snow Thursday. Upper 30s then. Lower 40s. Nice on Friday, even nicer. Saturday high around 50 with some sunshine. And then low 50s with rain chances for Sunday. And another update coming soon from visitmysmokies.com.